Take command of the road in the 2021 Toyota CHR. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.